Hello, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a groundbreaking new paper from researchers at MIT and Harvard that could change the future of AI image generation. The paper is called Equilibrium Matching, or EQM, and it introduces a fundamentally different way for AI to create images. Current popular methods, like diffusion models, work by taking a noisy image and cleaning it up over a series of fixed, rigid steps. While powerful, this process can be computationally expensive and inflexible. EQM throws out this step-by-step recipe. Instead, it learns what the researchers call an energy landscape. You can imagine this landscape as a 3D terrain map where all the perfect, realistic images are located at the bottom of deep valleys. Noisy or incorrect images are on the high hills and mountains. To generate a new image, the model essentially drops a ball onto this map and lets it roll downhill until it settles in one of the valleys. This optimization process is what makes EQM so special. So, how good is it? The results are incredible. On the industry-standard ImageNet benchmark, EQM achieves a new state-of-the-art score, creating images that are more realistic than those from previous leading models. Just look at some of these beautiful, curated samples generated by the model. But performance isn't the only advantage. Because it uses an optimization-based approach, it's incredibly flexible. Unlike older models that break if you change the sampling process, EQM is robust and works well with different settings. It also enables something called adaptive compute, where the model can intelligently decide to use fewer steps for simpler images, saving up to 60% of the computational effort. This new approach also unlocks some unique abilities that other models don't naturally support. For example, it can take a partially noisy image and denoise it perfectly without needing to be told how much noise there is to begin with. It also has an inherent ability to detect out-of-distribution images, meaning it can spot when it's being shown something completely alien to its training data. Perhaps most exciting is its ability to compose images. By combining the learned landscapes for two different concepts, say panda and valley, the model can generate a coherent image of a panda in a valley. This opens up amazing possibilities for creative control. So, let's recap what makes equilibrium matching so important. It's a new framework for generative AI that learns a unified energy landscape instead of a rigid, step-by-step process. This allows it to achieve record-breaking image quality, surpassing previous state-of-the-art models. Its sampling method is far more flexible, efficient, and intelligent, saving significant computing power. And it unlocks powerful new features like image composition and superior denoising. By unifying ideas from two different branches of AI research, EQM provides a simpler, more powerful path forward. This work could lead to the next generation of generative AI tools that are not only better, but also smarter and more efficient. Thanks for joining us on Summarize Science.